In this video, we're going to see why cloze deletions are the best type of flashcards you can use in Anki. If you didn't know what Anki is this amazing flashcards app, and this video is a part of my playlist of Ultimate Anki Guide, so make sure you check them out. First of all, let us see what a normal card looks like. So here, we are going to see about the capital of my country. So this is the card we have created, and let us see how it looks. So there is this one single card. What is the capital of India? New Delhi. And yeah, so we have finished this deck completely. But however, let me show you how a cloze deletion works. So basically you can see in the top left corner, it is saying about the type, which means the card type. And click it and click this cloze. Click the cloze option. And once you have chosen it, here you are going to write the same content. However, this time it is not like the typical flashcard of front and back. But this is like one single text, and now we are supposed to add cloze deletions to them. So you can see this option, right, like something like brackets. So click this and that's it. And okay, so now we have added two cloze deletions, and remember this is the same content. What is the capital of India? New Delhi. And now it is asking me in the reverse direction. So make sure that my knowledge of this content is not only monodirectional but bidirectional. When it comes to anatomy, there might be particular circumstances where we have to remember the content in both directions. So now I am clicking that and I can see India. And again it is asking me what's the capital of India, New Delhi. What is the capital of dash? And I have to think, okay, India. Fine. So this is the power of cloze deletions. And let me show a few ways by which you can use this cloze deletion to the maximum. One very important thing is you can make innumerable number of cloze deletions in one single question. For example, so here I have typed out some points from anatomy. So basically I am going to create a cloze out of these two sentences. See, now we have created one cloze deletion, but also we can create another one cloze deletion, and we can make innumerable number of cloze deletions. Canthi of the eye, the two eyelids are dash fused with. So see, we can create innumerable number of cloze deletions. And now let me add this deck. We can see 4 cards here, and once we click it, it is going to ask me the space in two eyelids is palpebral fissure. The two eyelids are fused from the medial lateral angle. The angles canthi. So now you can see that there are 4 questions, right? So this is one way you can use cloze deletions. Another one way is that you can have 2 cloze deletions opening at the same time. It is also pretty simple. Let us go to the previous question and let me edit it. So in this question, simply now we can see, right, C1, C2, C3, C4. Click C2 and type out C1. That's it. And click C3. For example, like let us keep it C2 and let us keep this C2. And once we are done, C1 and C1, all the C1 will open up at the same time. All the C2 will open up at the same time. So basically here we are having 2 cards. So let us see how this works out. Yeah. So now you can see that the space between the two eyelids is dash. The two eyelids are fused with each other to form the dash. So now you have to think this simultaneously and open it. Okay, now both of them are opening at the same time. So this is one amazing feature. This is really useful when it comes to studying the relations in anatomy. This will really test your knowledge. And let us see one more way by which you can use cloze deletions. That is, you can use cloze deletions as a way to work as this or that. For example, so this is a question. Assume this is a question, and we are creating a cloze deletion. But however, this time what we are doing is that we are typing out the answer first, and then we are typing out the options. Remember this. So type out the answer first and type out the options, and let us see how this works. So see, now it is showing like an option. It is asking you for that particular option, yes or no. My name is Rohith. Yes, my name is Rohith. So you can see that this is how we can use Anki also. So now we will see one more efficient way of using cloze deletions, that is by using picks. What are the hallmarks of neoplasia? So this is a question I have created, and now I have added this pick here, and now I can create a cloze deletion of this pick by simply doing the same thing, and that's it. Let us add this to the deck, and once we are done with it, let us check it how it works out. So my name is the previous thing. And what are the hallmarks of neoplasia? Actually, this is a visual mnemonic that I have created for neoplasia, about which I'll be talking in my future videos. So these are the hallmarks of neoplasia. So by this, you can add even picks as cloze deletions. So this is why close deletions are amazing. That's it for today. This is a very short video, but I hope this video was useful. Leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more such content. And check out this playlist on Anki videos I have created. It is from the basics of Anki to all the advanced features of Anki that a medical student or in fact any student should know. And as always, thank you for watching. See you soon.